Folks, here's the deal. Money just got into the bank. We're headed to Wrangell. We're gonna go get this boat. Joe's a great friend of ours that agreed to come along just to make sure we don't do anything really dumb. Alright, I just drove the boat for my first time. We went and got fuel. Nerve-wracking. Casey already gave me all the paperwork, and I am going to buy this boat for us. Alright, the deed has been done. And pick up Casey in Petersburg and head to Juneau. We took off from Wrangell around 10:30 in hopes of reaching Petersburg before dark. It's my first time through the Wrangell Narrows, and I can only imagine what it'd be like at night with a faulty radar. These things mark out the shallow water and rocks, but at night, all you see is a blinking light, and they're everywhere, so discerning where those rocks are is pretty tough. We are just getting into Petersburg, and it's pretty dark. It's pretty tough to plan these things. If you know Southeast weather forecasts, you know it comes with a hard maybe. Weather moved in while we were headed up to Petersburg. Called Casey, asked her to delay her flight if she could. She was able to, and so we are just hanging out in Petersburg until maybe tomorrow.